Yo, Novatos, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous coming at you yet again from the West Coast. I just wanted to share and congratulate Bikes, Beards, and Brews on hitting 1,000 subscribers. I joined his giveaway, and to my surprise, I won. Alright, I am, this is the first time I've ever, joined a contest or decided to get myself involved in a giveaway contest, whatever you call these things.
I don't know.
This is my first time I participated in a contest and a giveaway of this sort, so I am grateful that I won. I'm lucky. It was kind of a hidden giveaway. It's actually pretty funny. A few other people won some other prizes. Maybe I was a little jealous on what those other two guys won, but anyways, you guys want to go check out the channel. He's going to be doing another giveaway once he hits another milestone. Great channel, a lot of funny stuff. I watch all his videos, and they're great videos, top quality, a lot of jokes. A lot of this stuff is just fun and games. It's not too. People do take it serious, but you know what it is? It's just we just love our hobbies. We're passionate about our stuff, about our bikes. We're just passionate about all this stuff, and it's always fun to kind of just pause and just poke fun at one another. So that's why I do enjoy the channel. But like I said, thank you again, and congratulations on the 1,000 subscribers. Let's go ahead and look at what we got here, what we won.
Just do it!
So let's go ahead and look at what we got here, and this is what we got. Very nice. What I always wanted. Yay! What I always wanted. Maybe this will help out with my back support. You know what? Maybe I could use this, like I said, for some back support to kind of get me just kind of straight up. Maybe this is what I need. Let's see what it says on the back. This is fun stuff, silicone. I don't think I'm gonna say that right after that. It says 3-inch, and maybe I don't want to say the rest because I don't know if they'll ban me. But yes, this is pretty good, and it's my favorite color, pink. What else do we got? We got something else.
A few moments later.
We got bottle opener. Thank you very much. I do enjoy my beer. I've been trying to kick back a little bit, but I'm kicking back to maybe five a week now. So I'm doing a little bit better. Thanks for the bottle opener, keychain, Bikes, Beards, and Brews, right there on the bottom. Great. Looks nice, top quality stuff. And we also have some stickers. Oh wow, this one's really nice right there. Wow, look at that.
Impressive. Very nice.
This one's real nice as well. This is Grind My Gears. Like I said, a great pastime. And let's see, a little note. You won. Sorry that happened to you. Alright, thank you very much, and maybe I could win the next giveaway. Let's see when Ben decides to do another giveaway. Alright, you guys just stay out there, stay safe. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.